Unlocking the meaning of "to a bright future." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language and unlock the secrets behind its phrases and idioms. Today, we're exploring a very special phrase, "to a bright future." This phrase is not just words. It's a powerful expression of hope, dreams, and aspirations. Let's delve into its meaning, usage, and the context in which you can use it to inspire others or express your best wishes. To a bright future is an expression used to wish someone success and happiness in the future. It's often used during celebrations, farewells, or significant life changes. The word bright is key here, symbolizing light, hope, and positivity. When we say this phrase, we're envisioning a future filled with light and free from darkness or difficulties. You might wonder, when is the perfect moment to use this phrase? "To a bright future" finds its place in many settings. Graduation ceremonies, when students are stepping into a new phase of their lives. Farewell parties, wishing colleagues or friends well as they embark on a new chapter. Celebratory events, such as engagements, weddings, or milestone birthdays. When using this phrase, it's often accompanied by a toast, where people raise their glasses in a gesture of goodwill and hope for the person or people being celebrated. It's a way of saying, "I believe in your success and happiness, and I support your journey ahead." There are several expressions similar to a bright future, that you might also want to know. Here's to your success, wishing you all the best for the future. May your future be filled with happiness. Each variation carries a similar sentiment but can be used to add variety to your language or tailor your message more closely to the situation or your personal style. To a bright future is more than a phrase. It's a beacon of hope and a universal wish for prosperity and joy. Whether you're saying goodbye to a friend, celebrating an achievement, or just expressing your hopes for someone's future, this expression is a beautiful way to convey your sentiments. We hope this video has illuminated the depth and beauty of this phrase for you. Remember, the future is as bright as we dare to dream. So let's keep spreading positivity and encouragement wherever we go. Thank you for watching, and here's to a bright future for all of us.